as long as this excellent connection, you're fine. Okay. Okay, I'll send the
Thank you. Hello, guys. Hi, everyone. Apologies to keep you waiting. There was an issue with the backend earlier, but we managed to solve it. So, welcome to IC Global live analysis session. Okay, so we'll be starting today's session in a couple of minutes. Okay, so have a good day, everyone. Hello, welcome. Hi, welcome. Okay, so I'll be starting. Once again, my apologies. So, cause earlier we experienced some connection issue. Okay, so please let me know if you are unable to see my screen or hear me. Okay. Okay, so before we start, please take note that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be constructed as investment or trading advice. Okay, please note that also trading forex and CFD carries a high risk to your capital, and you should only trade money you can afford to lose. So please do your due diligence before you guys trade. Okay. Hey, I'm Emily. I'm from Rocket. Hello, hi Kelvin. Hello. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. So I'm Emily, investment analyst from Rocket. We are formerly known as EFG. Hi Desmond, thank you. So Rocket, we are the finalists for Best FX Research and also Equities Research for the year 2020 and 2021. Okay. So today we'll be looking at the live trading session. Okay. Let me put out the charts. So we'll be looking through the H4 charts. Okay. So give me a second. And also, if you have any currency pairs or indices that you like to look at, please leave it in the comment section. Oh, I think for that you have to send it into IC Markets email for you to. Okay, so for Nope, yep, please send it to the IC Market customer support. Okay, so now let's look at the dollar index. Okay, then after the dollar index, we will take a look at the Aussie CAD Euro CAD pair. Thank you. Please keep the. Okay. So feel free to leave it in the comment section what other currency pairs that you guys like to look at. Okay, so let's start with the dollar index first. Then after that, we'll move on to the requested currency. Okay, can see the price is kind of still consolidating. Okay, this is the H4 chart, by the way, and on the Ichimoku cloud, okay, it's still bullish. Okay, you can see that it's way above the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so let's look at some of the key support and resistance level. Okay, so we can see that there is a good level here. Okay, let me put up the chart, make it bigger. Okay, so it'll be easier for you guys to see. Okay, this will be my first support. Can see that the price has faced rejections here and it has broken through. Okay, and I try to pull it back to connect as many wicks as possible. So this is quite a good overlap support level. Okay, the second one. Okay, second one is a bit tougher. Gonna use this one here. Okay. Okay, this will be my second support, which is also a overlap. Okay, and now I'm going to make the chart smaller to look for any resistance. Okay, you can see that there is a immediate resistance here. Okay, make it bigger. Try to connect this one. Okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna take this level. Okay, so you can see that the price is currently moving up to our resistance, our immediate resistance here at the 104.267 level. Okay, and our next level of resistance, okay, this is a bit too close. If I were to choose this, right, it's a bit too close to our resistance level, so I will pick this. Okay, get this swing low here will be my first level of resistance. Okay. Now we'll be looking for some Fibonacci retracement. Okay. It's all broken through. 127 is a bit too far. Okay, but I could use this 127. Okay. Here, let's see if it connects. Okay. Okay, I can pick this level for my second resistance. Okay, let me just quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight this 127 extension together with the second resistance. Okay, so this whole area here, okay, will be my resistance area. And okay, price is going up, so okay, so this will be for the dollar index. Okay. Okay, you can see that the price is rising towards the immediate resistance. Okay, so after breaking the immediate resistance, okay, it could rise further, rise higher to our first resistance level. Okay, next up, okay, let me look at the comments. Okay. Okay, this the Aussie and the Canadian dollar currency pair. Okay. Okay. So you can see that there is actually support. Okay. Right at the current price here. This is my first support. Okay. And the next one. The next support will be pretty far from here. Far from the current price. Okay. We'll pick this. Okay, I'm trying to connect them. Okay, this overlap as my second support. Okay, and on the resistance side, okay. Okay, this overlap here will be my first resistance. Okay, and I can see that there is actually some an immediate resistance over here. Okay, you can see that the price. Okay, let me draw it out so it'll be clearer. Okay, you can see that the price is about to break by phase rejection, broken through, and then has a lot of activity here before bouncing off. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this as my immediate resistance level. Okay, and followed by the second. Okay, this level. Second resistance. Okay, this is, I would say this one. Okay, this small little breakout here. It's kind of like a fake breakout. Okay, because it didn't really break out. Then it kind of, after just half the candle popping out, right? You reverse all the way back to our first support level. Okay. Okay, let's look for some retracement. Okay, we have a 50%. Okay, aligned very closely with the second resistance. And followed by 23. I'll be using the 23 and also 50%. Okay, so makes it a stronger area of resistance. Okay, I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay, to look for support. Okay, the 61 has been broken through. Okay, 61% has been broken by the candles here. So I'm not gonna use it, but I'll be using the 78.2. Okay, sorry, the 78.6 for the second support because it aligns pretty nicely. Okay. And green. Okay, so here are the key support and resistance level for the Aussie dollar and Canadian dollar pair. Okay, and on the Ichimoku cloud, you can see that the pair is on a downtrend. Okay, I'm gonna see if there is a trend line. Okay, you can see that the price is trending downwards on a descending trend line. So, okay, so it's kind of it's still very bearish. Okay, so and next up we have a request also for euro dollar and Canadian dollar pair. Oh, okay, or it's also bearish. Okay, right way below the Ichimoku cloud, and also you can see that currently the price is still ranging. Okay, so let's look for some support and resistance level. I'm gonna off my cloud first. Okay, so the first support, okay, right below the current price. Okay, you can see that there's a lot of activity here. The price bounces off this level. Okay, so it could be quite a good key level of support. Don't think I could connect it to any of the wicks here. Yeah, let me open up to see. Okay, I can connect to this small little pullback. Okay. Okay, I could also not connect them. A bit too long. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so this will be my first support. Okay, right below the current price. So you can see that the current price is testing the support now. Okay, I'm gonna make the chart a bit smaller to look for our second support. Okay, it'll be right at this level. You can see the price pull back We could also connect to the levels here. Okay, connect to the wicks here. So now we have a overlap support. Okay. And next up, on the resistance side, okay, it will also be this, the wicks here. Okay, so I'll be taking the top of these wicks because you can see that there's a lot of rejections, and I also can pull it back my candles to connect to the wicks here. Okay, so it creates a nice overlap. You can see that the price, okay, bounce off, and over here the price broken through the support, and now it has become a resistance here as the price is unable to break through. Okay, so this will be my first resistance. Okay, followed by the second one. Okay, so we have another overlap resistance here. Okay, let's look for some Fibo level. Okay, this has been broken through, so I will be using the 38.2 and also 50% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so if price were to continue or were to bounce off the first support, okay, it could potentially break out of this first resistance and rise to the 38.2 level. Okay, and if it were to break out of these 38.2, okay, it could rise to 50%. Okay, color them. Okay, so this will be for the euro dollar and Canadian dollar pair. Okay, and next we have the request for gold and also pound and Kiwi dollar. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, feel free to send in the comment section if you guys have any more currency pairs indices you like to take a look at. Okay, so next up, let's look at gold. Okay, gold is like the favorite. It's also my personal favorite. Okay, so for the first resistance, first support level, okay, you'll be at this 2013 level. Okay, and followed by the second with this swing low here. Okay, be cutting through this whole week. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna leave my first support at the wicks over here. Okay, if I were to pull it back, okay, it cuts off this very nice V shape. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Likewise for the second support. And on the resistance side, okay, let me try connect the levels here. Okay, first resistance overlap. Okay, this overlap here. Okay, it only cut through one body. Okay, which is this. Okay, so this will be my first resistance. Okay, the rest are not really significant. Okay, and my second resistance will be this swing high, and I can connect them together. It does looks like a nice double top pattern. Okay, so for gold, it was bullish, but now it is moving down into the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so looks like it will be coming at the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud soon. Okay. And you, Ardana. Okay, so we have a retracement level at the 50% retracement. No, sorry, yes, been broken through. So 78.6 is too far from my first support, so I'm not gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna try from this. Okay, this kind of deviates out too much. Okay. We try to draw some. Okay, this is not a swing high. Okay, I'm gonna switch to the day chart. Okay, to look for some Fibonacci level. Okay, looks okay on the daily chart. Okay, so I'm gonna toggle back to the H4. Okay. Okay, there is a okay, so I drew my Fibonacci retracement from the daily chart. Okay, because there wasn't a suitable one. Okay, so from the daily chart, I can see that there is a 78.6 retracement. Okay, that aligns with our first support. Okay, so price could probably retrace all the way to this area. Okay, this, let me color this green color area here. Okay, price could probably retrace all the way here before bouncing off, or it could, break out this first support and fall to the second support. Okay, it depends on, and I think there is actually the some major news event today. Okay, ISM services PMI. So US will be releasing this at 11 p.m. Okay, sorry, give me a second. I switch my time zone to EST. Okay, so let me show you the news calendar. So because I see that, my time capital. Okay, so since you're trading, please take note of these upcoming ISM services PMI. Okay, it's a red folder event, which is quite high impact. Okay, so it could affect the gold and also the dollar index, and also the Aussie. Okay, there's also some high impact news releasing at 10:30 p.m. today. Okay, some red folder and also orange folder news. Okay, so if you guys are interested, you can go to this Forex Factory and look at the calendar. Okay. So this will be for the gold support and resistance level. Okay, expecting a buyback at 2014. Yeah, it'll be around this level. So you could kind of wait for the news and see if the price will bounce. Okay. And I also have pound and kiwi, GBP and ZD. Okay, so once again on the H4 chart. Okay, so on the Ichimoku cloud, you can see that the price is coming down. Okay, it is on kind of bearish. Okay, it has opened, you know, lower high and also not really lower low, so kind of still kind of a bit undecided. Okay, but let's look at some of the key support and resistance level first. Okay, I also have requests for Nasdaq. Okay, so on the first support, okay, the support level will be this overlap. Okay, very close to our to the current trading price. Okay, I'm trying to find which candle or wick. Okay, should I place it at the body here or the end of the wick here? Okay, so as to connect as many wicks as possible. Okay, by not cutting through the body. So I guess this is a better level as it only cuts through this one body here. Okay, so this will be my first support. And next one. Okay. If I use this level 2.06, it will be too close. The prices. Hello, Joey. Yeah, sure. We still have time for Aussie dollar later. So I'll be doing. I have a request for Nasdaq, and I also have some time for Aussie dollar. So after this, we'll be doing Nasdaq. So we'll be looking at US 500. Okay, so our second support will be here. Okay, you can see the price over here, pull back, and breaks out. Okay, so this will be my second support, followed by on the resistance side. Okay, this pullback here will be my first resistance, and okay, it's more straightforward. Okay, the multi-swing high will be my second resistance, and can also draw a retracement. Okay, 23 has been broken, so I can use the 38.2. It aligns very closely with the second support. Okay, and since price is coming down, I could also draw the Fibonacci retracement for this small little swing high and swing low. Okay, to look for more support and resistance. Okay, so we do have a 50% that aligns with our first support. And 127 extension. Okay, give me a second. 50. Gonna take 127 and also okay. So since price is coming down, I could use my 127 extension. Okay. Okay, I've also drawn the projection. Let me make this so you could see it clearer. No. Center. Okay. I guess this is the best. Okay, so we do have I draw a projection here. Okay, so as you can see the price is coming down, so there is a 61% projection level here. So I'm gonna join these together. Okay, so this whole level, this whole area will be my Fibonacci confluence. Okay, so price could probably bounce off this level and rise to our first resistance. Okay. Okay, next step. Next, let's look at next step will be next step 100. Okay. Oh, so choppy. This one. Okay, which is the symbol that you use? Is it the next 100? Okay, so I'm gonna look at the next step 100. Oh, so for this, the price is at all-time high. Oh, US 100. Apologies. Okay, Kevin. Okay, so this is the chart that you use, right? Okay, so we'll be looking at the US 100 for the Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, let me look for the support. Okay, this support is slightly difficult to find. It's a bit difficult to find a good one. So it's like lacking of a good support level. Okay, we use this one. Okay. Okay, so I'll be using this as my first support, the overlap. Okay, you can see that the price has bounced off this level. It broke through and then faced some rejection and broke off again. I'll break out of the first support. Okay. Immediate support wise. Okay. Gonna look for the second support first. 175. Okay. Okay, this swing low here also acts as a second support. Okay, so if price were to reverse all the way down and break out of the second support, right, it could drop all the way to this level here. Okay, 16,000. And resistance is kind of since this is all time high. Okay, so this would be my resistance, the swing high. That's my okay, this would be my resistance, multi swing high. I'm gonna look for once again retracement level. Okay, so I have the I'm gonna use the 50%. Okay. And 78.6%. 50 and 78. Okay, to help to so this level, right, will be a strong level of support. Okay. And let's see if there's any extension. Okay, 161 is a bit far. What's the price? 17925, 17663. Okay. 161 and 127. Where's my, okay, found, got it. Okay, so on the resistance side, we do have extension level. Okay, so I've highlighted this whole level as my resistance. So if price were to break out of this first resistance line, it could still be met with resistance somewhere from 17663 all the way to 17749. Okay, and also our second resistance is on the 161 extension. Okay, price is kind of coming down. Okay, so this will be for US 100. Next, I have a request for Aussie dollar. Hi, morning, Ren. Pound dollar, yes. Okay, I will do the pound dollar after Aussie dollar. You're welcome, Kevin. So I'm gonna do Aussie dollar. That's my Aussie dollar. Okay. Okay, so here's the chart for Aussie dollar. Okay, give me a second while I look at the candles. Okay. So in lack of a better support, right, I'll be using this for my first support. Okay. So along the way, I will see if there is any better support level. Okay, and the second level of support would be okay. Okay. So I've chosen this as my second support. Okay, because it captures the pretty significant level here. Okay, a pullback and face rejection, pull back again, and finally breaks out. But over here, he has also faced some rejections. Okay, the price also bounced off the level here, so it's a nice overlap support. Okay, so these are my two support and support levels for the Aussie dollar. Okay, I don't think there's any immediate support. Let me zoom it into. No, there's not really a level. Okay. And on the resistance side, sorry guys, I have to make it smaller because of the structure of this chart. We'll zoom it in bigger. Okay, this is the first resistance. Okay, and overlap. You can see the price pull back, breaks out, bounce off, and once again at this level. So this is pretty significant. Okay, and on the second resistance, yeah, it'll be cutting through all the bodies, so I'll be using this one. Okay, This pullback here will be my second resistance. Okay, and since the price is going up, okay, you can see that the price is trending up. I could use this swing low here for my Fibonacci. Okay, I have the 38.2 that aligns very closely with our second resistance. The 23% is a bit too far, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna color this. Where is my... Okay, so here you go. 38. And I could also draw a small little okay. Price is going down, so I could use the 161. Okay, so 161 extension aligns with our first support. Okay, this is also pretty nice to draw. Okay, and over here you can see that I have drawn the retracement from this swing low to this swing high. Okay, and there is a 78.6 retracement that aligns with our first support and also the 161 extension. Okay, so our first support is strong Fibonacci confluence area. Okay, because this 78.6 is still usable. Okay, it's still valid. Okay, so these are the key support and resistance level for Aussie dollar. Okay, on the H4 chart. Okay, so next up, a request from Ren GBPUSD. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, this will be my immediate resistance. Okay, you can see the dotted line. Okay, you can see that the price this immediate resistance is very nice. Okay, oh, I can extend all the way to the back here. So it's bounce off the level breakthrough. Okay, and become resistance, and it broke out the resistance, and you know it has been tested so many times. It's you know 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Okay, so you bounce off this immediate resistance line 3 times. Okay, before breaking out. So this will be for my immediate resistance level. And on the support, it will be too close. So there isn't a better or a support level that is nearer to current price. Okay, this is not really a level from here. There's nothing much at this level, so the only one I could use is this swing low. Okay, so my first support is this swing low over here, followed by the overlap will be my second support. My first resistance level. Okay. Resistance. You can see that there's a lot of activity around this area. Okay, price once again bounces off. So my first resistance is this overlap. Okay, there's a pullback here. And okay, my second resistance will be further. Okay, capturing the swing high. Or okay, it's actually also a pullback. Okay, you can see the price pulling back over. Okay, and now let's look for some retracement. Oh, the chart has been like consolidating for so long. Okay, since the price is going down. Okay, it's broken the level. This chart is tough. Okay. So broken. No. I'm gonna toggle to the daily chart. Okay, to look for some okay, so if you're unable to find any Fibonacci retracement on your H4 chart, because it could be very choppy. Okay, so either you make the chart smaller, okay, or you toggle to the daily chart. Okay, you also can draw from there. So on the daily chart is clearer because less noise. Okay, zoom it in first. So I can use this level. Okay, and we have 38.2 aligning very nicely with our second support. Okay, and on this swing low to swing high. Okay, I could use also 38.2. Okay, and 50%. Okay, so there's quite a few aligning before. Okay, give me a second. 33 has been broken, so I could use 38.2 and 50%. Okay, so this will be for, oh, sorry, I chose the wrong one. 38.50. Okay, so 38.2 align with our first support, 50% aligning with our second support, and also the retracement from this swing high to swing low, we have a 38.2. So our second support is actually a strong Fibonacci confluence area. Okay, and since price is coming down, this will be too far. Okay, I'm gonna toggle back to the H4 chart. Okay. So this will be the key support and resistance area for the pound dollar. Okay, so yeah, I still have time for I think one or two more. Let's take a look at. Are you guys interested in oil? Okay, you can take a look at oil. Wow. Okay, for oil, I'm looking at the WTI chart. Okay, so this will be my first support. $71. Second support right here. Yeah, this is like cutting through the body, so I'm gonna stick to this. Okay, let's pull back lever here for my second support. And next up, on the resistance side, okay, we do have a overlap resistance. Okay, second resistance is a bit far. So I do this. Okay, it's only cutting one body. Second resistance, how about here? Not really a good level. Okay, so I'll be using this for my second resistance. Okay, price is now coming down. Okay, nothing I can use. Okay, I'm going to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, I could use this to this. Okay, so I can use the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and target it back to the H4. Okay, so okay. Okay, because there's the 78 somewhere in between, so it's either you join it with the first support or you can join it with the second support. Okay. Personally, I would prefer the second support, as the first support is a bit, too big. Okay, so this will be the key support and resistance level for WTI. So thank you everyone for your participation. Also, thank you for joining today's IC market live trading session. Hope you guys enjoy yourself today, and I hope to see you guys at the next webinar. Thank you so much, and also have a good trading day. Okay, thank you, and I hope to see you guys at the next webinar. Thank you very much. Bye bye.